How sociology is different to common sense knowledge. Sociology is a social science that seeks to understand human behavior, social interactions, and social structures using systematic research and analysis. Common sense knowledge, on the other hand, refers to the beliefs, assumptions, and judgments that people make based on their personal experiences and observations of the world around them. The main differences between sociology and common sense knowledge are: systematic research. Sociology relies on systematic research methods such as surveys, experiments, and observations to gather data and test hypotheses. Common sense knowledge, on the other hand, is based on personal experiences and observations, which may be biased or incomplete. For example, a person may assume that all homeless people are lazy and unwilling to work based on their personal observations of homeless individuals in their community. However, sociological research has shown that homelessness is often caused by larger social and economic factors such as poverty, lack of affordable housing, and mental health issues. Objectivity. Sociology strives to be objective and impartial in its analysis of social phenomena. This means that sociologists try to avoid personal biases and assumptions when conducting research and interpreting data. Common sense knowledge, on the other hand, may be influenced by personal biases and prejudices. For example, a person may believe that women are naturally better suited for caregiving roles based on their personal experiences and cultural beliefs. However, sociological research has shown that gender roles are socially constructed and influenced by larger cultural and historical factors. Generalizability. Sociology seeks to develop general theories and principles that can be applied to different social contexts and populations. Common sense knowledge, on the other hand, may be limited to specific individuals or situations. For example, a person may assume that all teenagers are rebellious and difficult to manage based on their personal experiences with their own teenage children. However, sociological research has shown that adolescence is a complex and diverse stage of development that varies across cultures and social contexts. Overall, sociology is different from common sense knowledge in that it uses systematic research methods, strives for objectivity, and seeks to develop general theories and principles about human behavior and social structures. A few more examples. Relationship between poverty and crime. Common sense knowledge suggests that poverty leads to crime because people who are poor are more likely to resort to illegal activities to survive. However, sociological research has shown that the relationship between poverty and crime is complex and influenced by a variety of social and economic factors, including social inequality, discrimination, and lack of access to education and job opportunities. Gender and leadership. Common sense knowledge often assumes that men are naturally better suited for leadership positions than women because of biological or psychological differences. However, sociological research has shown that gender roles are socially constructed and influenced by cultural and historical factors, and that women can be just as effective as men in leadership roles. Immigration and crime. Common sense knowledge often suggests that immigrants are more likely to commit crimes than native-born citizens because they are outsiders who do not share the same values or cultural norms. However, sociological research has shown that immigrants actually have lower rates of crime than native-born citizens, and that factors such as poverty, social exclusion, and discrimination are more closely linked to criminal behavior. Divorce and children. Common sense knowledge often assumes that divorce is always harmful to children and leads to negative outcomes such as emotional problems and academic struggles. However, sociological research has shown that the effects of divorce on children are complex and influenced by a variety of factors, including the quality of the parent-child relationship, the level of conflict between parents, and the resources available to the family. Mental illness and violence. Common sense knowledge often suggests that people with mental illnesses are more likely to be violent or dangerous than the general population. However, sociological research has shown that the vast majority of people with mental illnesses are not violent, and that factors such as poverty, substance abuse, and access to firearms are more closely linked to violent behavior.